This LSAT Must Be True question is a perfect example of how one clean diagram can hand you the answer in under a minute. Pause the video now if you want to try it by yourself. Based on the question, Sam, we know this is a must be true question, so we're not strengthening or fixing anything, we are deducing what is guaranteed. Here's the strategy. Translate the statements into a simple conditional chain, then use the contrapositive when the facts give you a not. First, diagram the two rules. If a motor is sound insulated, then it is quiet enough for home appliances. So, sound insulated leads to quiet for home. Next rule. If it's quiet enough for home appliances, then it can be used in institutional settings. So, quiet for home leads to institutional use. Put them together as a chain. Sound insulated leads to quiet for home leads to institutional use. Now plug in the EM Industries fact. None of the motors made by EM Industries are quiet enough for home appliances. That means EM motors are not quiet for home. When you have not quiet for home, look at the first arrow. Sound insulated leads to quiet for home. The contrapositive is, if not quiet for home, then not sound insulated. So we can conclude EM motors are not sound insulated. That is exactly answer choice B. None of the motors manufactured by EM Industries are sound insulated. Here's where the wrong answers fail. Answer choice A says if it can be used in institutions, then it's sound insulated. That's a reversal. Our chain goes sound insulated to institutions, not the other way around. Answer choice C says at least some EM motors can be used in institutions. We only know EM motors fail the quiet enough for home condition, but failing a sufficient condition doesn't tell you whether they can still be used in institutions. Answer choice D says if it's quiet enough for home, then it's sound insulated. Another reversal. Sound insulated guarantees quiet, but something could be quiet without being insulated. Answer choice E says none of the EM motors can be used in institutions. That's an invalid jump. Not quiet enough for home does not mean not usable in institutions. If you want to get fast at these, you need to diagram confidently and trust contrapositives. Book a free LSAT tutoring consultation at Hummingbird LSAT Prep.